name's Mikayla. I'm from Utah. Took a quick flight over just to get the surgery done. I believe I'm getting a capsulectomy, taking my breast implants out, lipo to the stomach, fat transfer, just to fill them back up because I have nothing before. And it started really with my skin. I had horrible skin before, horrible eczema, rashes. Then I got the implants in 10 months ago. Just got 1,000 times worse, just covered my whole entire body. As you can tell, my face is just going through it right now, and it's kind of just been up and down. And no matter what I'm doing, however consistent I am with diet, nutrition, working out, anything, it just stays the exact same. So my next step is to take out the implants and see if that helps me get better, and hopefully it does. So I have 3 kids, 6, 4, and 2. For like the last 3 or 4 months, it's been really hard. I haven't been able to take care of my kids, really get up and walk, do anything. So my goal for the surgery is just to be healthy again, able to do that. I was in a pretty bad mindset for a long time, just having horrible skin issues every day. I didn't want to leave the house, didn't want to be seen. So I just want to be back to my old self, feeling confident, happy, healthy. I'm excited.
All right, guys, we have Mikayla here. We're about to go in there, get her all taken care of. You guys, I'm excited to get rid of all these implants for her and help her improve her condition. So come on in, I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Here's our patient. She's had previous implants from another doctor, earlier last year. We're gonna get those out. She's getting capsular contracture. She's getting some autoimmune condition going on. We're gonna get them out. We're gonna clean it all out. And to make them look good, we're gonna take fat from here, which is always gonna look nice, and transfer it here for a more natural look. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, give me a gentle hug.
Much better, yeah.
All right, good.
A gentle hug?
Yeah, you look great.
So I got implants back in March of 2023. So I've had them in for about 10 months now, and almost immediately after getting them in, my body almost started attacking them. I was having horrible rashes, horrible gut issues that I dealt with for the 10 months leading up till I found Dr. Barrett. And I tried everything to fix my gut health. I was fasting, I was cutting out gluten, dairy, sugar. And then when I found Dr. Barrett, he talked to me a little bit about taking the implants out, doing a fat transfer, getting those natural results, and also healing my gut. And so that's what we did. We took out the implants, put in a couple 100 cc's of fat to get the most natural looking results, and a lot healthier than having the implants in, having my body attacking them, my immune system freaking out. Even trying to find a holistic doctor in Utah, not even to work on like implants, but just my gut health in general was so hard. A lot of the plastic surgeons you talk to don't really have a background in gut health and functional medicine. And so when I found Dr. Barrett, one of the things I loved is that he mentioned almost what I was wanting other people to tell me, and that I was researching and finding these things, but no one really had education on that. One of the first things he mentioned was, oh, I think this is what's happening with your gut. I think this is what you need to be taking. I don't think you should put implants back in. He kind of went over my different options of if you take the implant out, you can put a new one in, but if you were a family member, that's not what I would tell you to do, because I think you need to heal your gut and be as healthy as possible. Every dermatologist, every doctor, I would go in, they would give me steroids, I would come out, my skin would be better. A week later, it would be 10 times worse, and I would just be starting from square one every single time. So yeah, I really appreciated that he was willing to think of me as a family member and say, we want to get you better and get you healthy. Recovery has been honestly so much easier than I thought it would be. I just feel so much healthier now, and I feel like I look so much healthier too. My first surgery that I got at a different surgery clinic, I had like the worst recovery, like almost immediately after. I think I always tell my friends, I'm like, if I was ever to go anywhere else, I would go to Dr. Barrett every single time, just because I really do love the holistic approach. I feel like you're really in tune with your body, and I feel like that's important. So like if you're feeling weird with implants or anything going on with your body, listen to your intuition. And I feel like I felt so weird about having my implants in for so long. Just transferring the fat and getting that overall shape that I wanted and having a healthier result. And just my body's been healing so much the last 4 months. And I feel like it's obvious. I feel like every time I see someone, they're like, you look so much healthier and happier, and really that's just what I wanted from the surgery, and so I'm so happy that I'm at this place now. I feel like I still maintained a lot of the volume from doing the fat transfer. I still have a lot more now than I did before, so I'm loving the volume, I'm loving the shape, and just the overall results. My back, I think that's like my favorite part is the lipo that I got from my back. It really just like shaped everything. Before I even got the surgery, I feel like I was still in a place where I couldn't fully be a mom and do the things that I was doing before, and now I'm so much healthier where I can get up and I can go out with my kids every day. I can do the school drop-offs. I feel like I wasn't able to do that for a while, like just little things that I was doing every day that I took for granted I wasn't able to do, and so now I feel like I'm like back to 100% now, honestly. And I look good doing it.
We're here, we're back. So you can see that she's got a beautiful figure and shape here. The lipo looks great, obviously, but overall she's been doing great, and we love this look for her.